Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of Zelos Mako. Zelos is a micro brand from Singapore, and it's actually one of my personal favorite micro brands that I reviewed so far. I think they make excellent watches at a great price point. So the watch that I'm going to review today, Mako model, actually was released about 7 or 8 months ago. It instantly sold out, and now they are re-releasing this model. Actually, the model is not released yet. It will be released in the next few weeks. So if you want to make sure that you do get your hands on one of these watches, go to their website, sign up for their mailing list. This way you won't miss the release. I think the meteorite dial version, the one that I'm going to unbox today, is going to be priced at under $600 as the initial offering price, and the models without the meteorite dial should be under $500, which is a hell of a value because it is a bronze diver watch with 500 meters of water resistance, a domed sapphire crystal with AR coating, Sellita SW200 movement, so it is a Swiss-made movement, and all of that for under $500 or under $600 depending on which model you go for. That's a hell of a deal, so no wonder these watches sell out so quickly. Let's open the box and see what the watch looks like. The box feels a bit heavy, so I'm guessing it also comes in a wooden box like the Zelos Swordfish did, and of course I did an unboxing video for that watch, and that video can be found on the channel. Also did a full review. Yeah, you can see a wooden box peeking through here. In my opinion, Zelos has the best packaging from any micro brand out there. Of course, I haven't experienced every micro brand, but just from my small experience with micro brands, Zelos has one of the best packagings out there. So it comes in this wooden box, although this part is a bit difficult. Getting the sleeve off of this wooden box was a real challenge. I had to do it off the camera because I didn't want you guys to see how weak I really am. But I did it. I did it, so now we can finally open this box. And if I'm not mistaken, we should see a watch roll. So inside the watch roll, let's go from left to right. We have the warranty card. It's a really cool metal card. This part has holes so you can see through them. It says the date and the serial number. So I got serial number 3. I wonder who got the 1 and 2. Then we have a spare leather strap. It gives it character as soon as you crack it, as soon as you break it. I actually really like the leather strap that I got with the Swordfish, and I use that strap all the time. So that's a really nice touch. And here is the watch itself. Believe it or not, this is the very first bronze watch. Oh, the back sticker fell off. This is the very first bronze case watch that I'm featuring on the channel. I reviewed a few of bronze look-alike cases, but never an actual bronze case. And look how beautiful and unique is this watch. 500 meters of water resistance. Fantastic. And what movement does this have? It has a sapphire crystal, but doesn't say about the movement. I believe actually that it has the Sellita SW200. Do you guys hear that? Do you hear that? Ah, that's just so solid, so satisfying. A bit of a closer look at this watch and the beautiful dial. Applied indices for hour markings. Automatic, 500 meters of water resistance. I like how the date window is integrated by the 6 o'clock position. It looks very symmetrical. I can appreciate that. A domed sapphire crystal. That's interesting. I wasn't expecting a domed crystal. I thought it was going to be flat. Really like this bronze case. Comes on a nice rubber strap. I think this is a Tropic rubber strap. And a nice tank buckle, also in bronze, to of course match the case finish. Really cool. A crown at the 4 o'clock position, so it's kind of out of the way. Alright, Zelos doesn't disappoint once again. Another solid offering from this micro brand. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of Zelos Mako. A pretty solid watch just based on my initial impressions. I have it here on the supplied leather strap, and I gotta tell you, I really like this look. Although a diver watch and a leather strap, not very functional, but I think it does look fantastic. So I'm excited to review this watch. Hopefully I'll be able to get the review out before all the models are sold out, so you can have the full review, my full impressions of this watch, give you all the pros and all the cons. I think the meteorite dial is kind of a gimmick. If you don't really care about that, just probably go for the plain dial. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you want me to test out about this watch before the final review, and of course leave your thoughts about Zelos watches in general. I always enjoy reading your comments. Also on my wrist, I'm wearing the Zelos Ocean Rover. Really like this watch, but of course I'll share all my thoughts in the final review. Right now I'm just going through the testing phase. In the description of this video there is a secret link. Check it out. I mean, if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time.